Hello everybody, in this video I want to talk about airdrop farming and actually respond to one question I received today about multiple wallets, and I want to quickly respond publicly because I think many people dealing with the same things right now and it could be helpful for you guys. So the question is, I created more than 20 accounts on the same day, I make transactions on the same day, but I do different transactions. Am I considered a sybil? This is the question. And of course there is no simple yes or no answer here, but unfortunately, most probably there is a high chance that this guy considered as sybil and could be blacklisted. And let me explain why I think so. First of all, the main on-chain rule to follow is never do same transactions on the same day, on the same time, for the same amount, for the same wallets. Because it's easy to be flagged in this case, and we also don't know what amounts he's using. Maybe he's using under $2 amounts, and it's also easy to be on the top sybil list in this case. And also outside of this, I have many questions for this guy too, and I'm not sure he did all well. First of all, how he created those 20 wallets. Did he use one MetaMask extension in Google and created all the 20 wallets just in one extension? Did he? Most probably it is like that. Did he use the same IP for all of those 20 accounts? Also, how he funded those wallets? So maybe, hopefully he used one exchange to fund all those wallets, and in this case exchanges uses exchange hot wallets, and it is not easy to identify the path in this case because it will show exchange wallet and transactions goes to your wallet. But in case he used like another main MetaMask to fund all other 20 wallets, in this case his farmer career is done, unfortunately. So you see how many uncertainty here, how many questions and probabilities to have those wallets in a good position right now. Never do same things, please. And if you're just starting, please do your own research, learn how to do it correctly, put your time, efforts and energy into making all clear, spend money on proxies and everything. And also feel free to join our community, our course, and we have beautiful, wonderful people doing many wallets and building the wells. I think it is all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this question was helpful for all of you, and have a good day. Bye bye.